Communication System, Class 12, Notes, Chapter 15. Topic 1. Communication. Communication is the act of transmission and reception of information. Communication system. A system comprises of transmitter, communication channel and receiver. A block diagram of a generalized communication system is shown as below. Information source, message, signal to the transmitter, transmitted signal to the channel, received signal, receiver, message signal, user of information. Transmitter, it consists of transducer, signal generator, modulator and transmitting antenna. Receiver, its main function is to decode the original signal. The main function involves picking up the signals, demodulating and displays the original message signal. Communication channel. The physical path between the transmitter and receiver is known as communication channel. They are of two types, namely guided point-to-point, unguided. Bandwidth of communication channel. The range of frequency used to pass through channel is known as bandwidth. Number of channels equal to total bandwidth of channel. Bandwidth needed per channel. The following table shows the various things used in communication system. Source of information, speech, picture, words, code, symbol, commands and data. Transmitter, oscillator, amplifier, filters and antenna. Channel, wire links, wireless and optic fibers. Receiver, radio, TV, computer, telephone, teleprinter, telegraph, fax and internet. There are two basic modes of communication given as below. Point to point. In this type of communication mode, communication takes place over a link between a signal transmitter and a receiver. For example, telephony. Broadcast. In the broadcast mode, there are a large number of receivers corresponding to a signal transmitter, for example, radio and TV. Basic terminology used in electronic communication system. Signal. Information converted into electrical form and suitable for transmission is called a signal. Transducer. Any device arrangement that converts one form of energy into another is called a transducer. For example, microphone. Noise. It refers to the unwanted signals that attempts to disturb the transmission and processing of message signals in communicating system. Attenuation. It refers to the loss of strength of a signal during its propagation through the communication channel. Amplification. It is the process by which amplitude of a signal is increased using an electronic circuit called the amplifier. Range. It is the largest distance between a source and a destination up to which the signal is received with sufficient strength. Baseband. Band of frequencies representing the original signal is called baseband. Repeater. Repeaters are erected at suitable distances between the transmitter and receiver. Repeaters are used to extend the range of a communication system. Message signals. A time-varying electrical signal generated by a transducer out of original signal is termed as message signal. The electrical signals are of two types such as below. Analog signal. A continuous signal value which at any instant lies within the range of a maximum and a minimum value. Graphical representation of analog signal can be represented as given below. Digital signal, pulse signal. Digital signals are those which can take only discrete stepwise values, for example, output of a computer, fax, etc. Coding schemes used for digital communications are given as below. Binary coded decimal BCD. In this, a digit is represented by two binary numbers 0 or 1. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII, it is a universally popular digital code to represent numbers, letters and certain characters. Bandwidth of signals. Bandwidth of signal is defined as the difference between the upper and lower frequencies of signal. In a communication system, the massive signal can be voice, music, picture or computer data. This has been shown in the table given as below. Speech signal 300 से 3100 Hz, bandwidth 2800 Hz, music signals 20 to 20,000 Hz, 20 kHz, video signal 4.2 MHz, TV signal 6 MHz. Bandwidth of transmission medium. The commonly used transmission medium are wire, free space, fiber optic cable 750 MHz and optical fiber 100 GHz. This range is subdivided further and allocated for various services as indicated in the table given as below. Service frequency band and remarks. Standard AM broadcast 540 to 1600 kHz, radio broadcast. FM broadcast 88 to 108 MHz, music channel. Television 54 to 72 MHz, VHF very high frequency 66 to 88 MHz, TV 174 to 216 MHz, UHF ultra high frequency 420 to 890 MHz, TV. Cellular 896 to 901 MHz, mobile to base station, mobile radio 840 to 935 MHz, base station to mobile. Satellite communication. Satellite 5.925 to 6.425 GHz uplink. Communication 3.7 to 4.2 GHz downlink. Antenna. Antenna is a device which acts as an emitter of electromagnetic waves and it also acts as the first receiver of energy. It is generally a metallic object, often a wire or collection of wire. Hertz antenna. It is a straight conductor of length equal to half the wavelength of radio signals to be transmitted or received. That is I equal to lambda upon 2. L equal to lambda upon 2. Marconi antenna. It is a straight conductor of length equal to a quarter of the wavelength of radio signals to be transmitted to received. That is L equal to lambda by 4. Dipole antenna. It is used in transmission of radio waves. It is omnidirectional. This type antenna, it is a directional antenna. Such antenna has a parabolic reflector with an active element. Propagation of electromagnetic waves. In communication using radio waves, an antenna at the transmitter radiates the EM waves which travels through the space and reach the receiver at the other end. Depending upon frequency and ways of propagation, electromagnetic waves categorized as follows. Ground wave propagation, frequency less than 2 MHz. In ground wave propagation, the radio waves AM travel along the surface of the earth. These waves are guided along the earth's surface and they follow the curvature of the earth. Sky wave propagation 2 MHz to f less than 30 MHz. Long distance communication can be achieved by ionospheric reflection of radio waves back towards Earth. This mode of propagation is called skywave propagation and is used by shortwave broadcast services. The ionosphere is so called because of the presence of a large number of ions. It extends from heights of 65 km to about 400 km above the Earth's surface. Troposphere. Approximate height over Earth's surface is 10 km, exists during day and night. Frequencies most affected VHF up to several GHz. D part of stratosphere 65 to 75 km. Day only reflects LF, absorbs MF and HF of some degree. E part of stratosphere 100 km. Day only, half surface wave reflects HF. F1 part of mesosphere 170 to 190 kilometer. Daytime merges with F2 at night. Partially absorbs HF waves yet allowing them to reach F2. F2 thermosphere 250 to 400 kilometer day and night efficiently reflect HF waves, particularly at night. The degree of ionization varies with the height. The density of atmosphere decreases with height. The ionospheric layer acts as a reflector for a certain range of frequency. These phenomena are shown as below. Maximum usable frequency MUF. It is a limiting frequency, but for some specific angle of incidence other than the normal, and is given by MUF equal to FCS sec theta, where theta is the angle between normal and the direction of incidence of waves. Skip distance. It is the shortest distance from a transmitter measured along the surface of Earth at which a sky wave of fixed frequency C more than Fc will be returned to Earth. D skip equal to 2h under root f MUF upon Fc की whole square minus 1, where h is the height of the reflecting layer of atmosphere. F MUF equal to MUF. Critical frequency. For a given layer, it is the highest frequency that will return down to Earth by that layer. Critical frequency Fc equal to 9 Nmax to the power half, where Nmax maximum electron density of ionosphere. The critical frequency ranges approximately from 5 to 10 MHz. Space wave propagation. F is greater than 30 MHz. A space wave travels in a straight line from transmitting antenna to the receiving antenna. Space waves are used for line of sight communication as well as satellite communication because of LOS. Nature of propagation. These waves get blocked at some point by curvature of Earth as shown below. Range of TV transmission. D equal to under root 2HR, where H height of antenna, R radius of the Earth, D maximum distance, range of transmission. Range of line of sight distance between two antennas. DM equal to DT plus DR. DM equal to under root 2HT R plus under root 2HR plus R into R, where HT and HR are the heights of transmitting and receiving antenna. Satellite communication. In this communication, frequency band of 9 GHz to 6.4 GHz is used for uplinking and 3.7 GHz to 2 GHz is used for downlinking. Topic 2. Modulation. Modulation is the process of variation of some characteristics of a carrier wave in accordance with the instantaneous value of a modulating signal. Need for modulation. It is due to the fact that low frequency signals need antenna of very large length, approximate 5 km. Mixes of signal transmitted from different stations get attenuated significantly as power radiated by antenna is given by rho proportional to 1 upon lambda k square. Types of modulation. Amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, pulse modulation. Amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier is varied in accordance with the information signal. Modulation index mu equal to change in amplitude of carrier wave upon amplitude of carrier wave. AM upon AC, Amax minus Amin upon Amax plus Amin, where Amax maximum amplitude of AM wave, Amin minimum amplitude of AM wave. Upper side band frequency equal to Fc plus Fm, lower side band frequency equal to Fc minus Fm, where Fc and Fm are frequencies of carrier waves and modulating waves. Bandwidth equal to USB minus L. LSB equal to Fc plus Fm minus Fc minus Fm equal to 2Fm. Production of AM wave. One of the simplest method is shown below by block diagram. modulating signal, carrier wave, square law device, band pass filter, AM wave. Block diagram of transmitter and receiver as shown below. Message signal, amplitude modulator, modulated wave, power amplifier, transmitting antenna. Receiving antenna, received signal, amplifier, IF stage, detector, amplifier, output. Condition for satisfactory identification by a diode. 1/Fc very less than RC, very less than 1/Fm. Types of pulse modulation: PAM, pulse amplitude modulation; PDM, pulse duration modulation; PPM, pulse position modulation; PCM, pulse code modulation. Internet, it is a network of computers, printers, disk drives or other devices connected in a network topology that can allow the device to communicate. Local area network, it is a group of computers and associated devices that share a common communication line or wireless link. Typically connected device share the resources of a single processor or server within a small geographical area. Wide area network. A wide area network is a network that covers a broad area, that is, any telecommunication network that links across metropolitan, regional, national or international boundaries using leased telecommunication lines. Client computer. Every computer that extracts information from a server is called a client computer. Web page. A hypertext document connected to the worldwide area is known as web page. It may contain text, videos, etc. Website. A location connected to the internet that maintains one or more web pages. Internet service provider. An internet service provider, ISP, is an organization that provides services for accessing, using or participating in the internet. People use internet for many purposes like searching and viewing information on any topic of interest, for sending electronic mails, for e-banking, e-shopping, e-booking, etc. Electronic mail. Electronic mail is the exchange of computer stored messages by telecommunication. Mobile telephony is the provision of telephone services to phones which may move around freely rather than stay fixed in one location. Mobile phones connect to a terrestrial cellular network of base stations, whereas satellite phones connect to orbiting satellites. A cellular network or mobile network is a wireless network distributed over land areas called class, each served by at least one fixed location transceiver known as a cell site or base station. All network related works, including handling of all the incoming and outgoing calls, are managed by a central control room called Mobile Telephone Switching Office, MTSO. A telephone numbering plan is a type of numbering scheme used in telecommunication to assign telephone numbers to subscriber, telephone or other telephony endpoints. 1G is the first generation of mobile network which are based on analog radio signal. 2G is based on narrowband digital signal. 3G is the increased data transfer speed. 4G is provide a high speed internet facility. Global Positioning System is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time information in all weather conditions. 12 numbers of satellites are required to correct and accurate location identification in the Global Positioning System.